Hey guys, so I am popping in quickly to show you what came in my Ipsy bag. Here is the card Street Style by Ipsy. And I already opened the bag. It came like Wednesday and today is Sunday. So here's the bag. It's like a silver grayish color. It has the little studs up top. So it's a really cute bag. And what came in the bag, I went ahead and looked everything up because the last time I didn't know what some of the stuff were. So I just wanted to be a little bit more prepared. This is the Nourish Organic Moisturizing Cream Face Cleanser, Cucumber and Watercress. Full, get in, yes. And it's 100% natural, USDA certified organic, has aloe vera, cucumber, and watercress. It's chemical free and cruelty free and concern free. This is a 1 ounce sample. And the full size is actually 6 fluid ounces, and it retails for $13.99. And it's I opened it up earlier, and you can see the bubbles. Can you see that? So it's very soapy, and it smells like it too. It smells like bubbles. You know, like the kitty bubbles that you buy that you blow. So that's what it smells like. And here's the Mitchell and Peach English Growers Luxury Hand Cream. Is that Growers? Yeah. Luxury Hand Cream Flora #1. So that's this. And it is 30 milliliters. And the full size is 60 milliliters. It's twice the size. And it retails for £17. This is a UK company. So that's roughly 28, 29 US dollars. And it's got a real floral scent to it, perfumey scent. I'm not a big fan of florals. Next up is the Kaylin Art Touch Tinted Lip Gloss. So there's the lip gloss, and this retails for 19 bucks. The color is Love Affair, #8, Love Affair. And it is 0.14 fluid ounces. Let's see. I don't know if you can really see that. My lighting is kind of bad. Okay, but it's a really good tint. It's a darker lip tint than some of the others that I've had in the past. Next up is the Pacifica Natural Minerals eye pencil, and this color is gunmetal. Can you see that? And it's great. It's like the same color as this bag, so they're like the same color. Yeah, that shows up better. And this is a sample size 0.026 ounces. The full size one is 11 bucks. And finally, we have the Crease Shadow Brush Duo Brush by Crown Brush. And here it is. So yeah, crease and shadow brush. And the item number is C476. When I went on the website, it retails for $17.50, but they actually have a sale going on right now, so it is on sale for $6.99. So if you're looking to get one of these, I actually like this. This is very nice. I might order me like another one just in case. So that's it. That's everything that came in the bag. The brush, the eye pencil, the lip gloss, the hand cream, and the face cleanser. So Put it in an Ipsy bag. Nice and neat. Everything fits in there. There you go. Thanks guys for watching, and you have a good night. Bye-bye.